Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois on this cold gray day in Addison, 25 degrees. So I will be freezing my tush off, but I had to do this video. The car just came in this morning. This is a beautiful 70 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's been restored and it's in very good condition, tons of power and reliability. It's a butternut yellow exterior and it's done in a very good finish. Black rally stripes have been painted, as you can see, on the hood. And under the hood, you're gonna see an LS6-454 cubic inch. It's been rebuilt. I was told less than 5,000 miles on it. I believe the car is gonna run out like a great gorilla. Well, it's going to, because this thing is mean. It's backed up by a 400 automatic trans. It's got a 12-bolt rear end in it, 390 gear ratio, which is perfect for a low end and high end. The engine has Hooker Super Comp headers. On the car, it's black with black buckets, console. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, 3-inch Flowmaster X pipe exhaust system. As you saw, the hood pins on the SS hood, and you can see the upgraded wheel and tire package that gives this car a very, very aggressive stance. Dual sport mirrors. Doors, trunk, jams done very nicely, and I will show you as we progress. Weather stripping all replaced. Excellent glass all throughout the car. Chrome back, front, all nice. Frame, floors, trunk, very good condition. Guys, gals, I want to make a note. This is not a real LS6 car. It just has the LS6 motor in the car that's been, you know, they took obviously the 454 and they did the LS6 specifications. So there you go, guys. That's the walk around on the car. I'm gonna do another walk around here and show you any blemishes in the paint. And I will point them out with my finger. I want everyone to know and see everything that I see. In the video, it looks a little pale, but it is a butternut yellow car. You can refer to the photos. If I step back, the color will come back a little bit. See that? Okay, that's probably my camera here. No blemishes there that I can see. No stress cracks whatsoever. The car just needs to be detailed. Like I said, the car just came in, so I wanted to get this video done before it came nightfall here. But again, continuing, look at that chrome on the car. No stress cracks on this side either. This is a touch-up here. They used kind of a wrong color, so we're going to touch this up. From about 5-6 feet away, you won't be able to see it, but right now it's there. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Look at that stance. And we are going to go for a test drive. Let's look underneath the front suspension. There are no leaks on my Chevelle. Very clean underneath. Let's check out the passenger side now. Floor pans are solid. Chevelle does have electric cutoffs on the exhaust system. 12-bolt in the back. Check out the driver's side. Super nice, super clean. Let me pop the trunk for you guys. I want you to see what's back here. Woo! All the weather stripping, like I mentioned earlier, replaced. Both quarters, full quarters, have been replaced on both sides. It is pure sheet metal throughout the quarters, no patching. Trunk lid looks very clean, very nice. Look how clean even the lenses are. All right, well, look at these door lips. Chrome is nice. Look at this. Perfect original welds. No rot, no rust. SS door panels. It's not a real SS car, guys, too, okay? Well, let's keep that in mind. Excellent rockers, inner outer jams. There's the black bucket seats, the console upgraded. Autometer gauges with the carbon fiber dash there, or should I say cluster. Dash pad looks excellent. Headliner's tight. Seat belts all intact. Hidden speakers on back there. Let me fire this up. I want to open up the hood and you guys will see that. Listen to this thing first. Baby, baby. Yeah, she's sweet. Man. Love it. This butternut yellow color, man, grows on you. You don't see it too many at the car shows. So if you want to be that guy with the red one, the blue one, the silver one, be that guy. Or be this guy. Let me pop the hood. Check this out. Be careful with these hood pins. They could scratch the car. That's just a little dirt mark, but the car will be fully detailed before it gets out to you. Open the hood right down here. Boom. You guys ready? You ready? Bam! Look how nice that is, man. Oh! Disc brake setup, power steering. Look how clean that is. Electric choke, headers, MSD setup. That baby's ready for the show. Wow. Look at that. All fired up. No overheating issues, guys. You got all the bells and whistles. This is a true muscle car, man. Let's, I want you guys to hear this thing when I open up the exhaust. And the button is right here. Check this out. You hear the car now? I'm gonna hit this button. Now listen to it. Hold on. Damn, you hear that? It's like you're at the drag strip now. Man, I love them electric cutoffs. Got the best of both worlds. You're cruising with the old lady, you know what to do. By yourself with your boys, open them up. Let's go. This is how we do videos, guys. Take some notes. Got the LEDs in the front. Spend your time. Explain the car properly to your customers. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go for a ride. Oh man, tons of paperwork with this car. All right, check this out. All right, I want to go over this with you guys. I'm sure you guys checked out the big stereo system already. Let me lower the exhaust here. Let me get this thing quiet. Guys, gals, everything works on my Chevelle. Okay, everything. Well, not the horn, okay, but everything works. Okay. All right. this paperwork comes with the car. Heat blows nice and warm. Oh, man, that was fun. I got my blood going. Now we're gonna get my heart pumping a little bit. This system in this car, listen to this. It's got the kick panel speakers and 2 10s in the trunk. All right. Power steering feels great on the car. You can turn this thing with 1 finger. The interior is really nice. I love how they mounted the Kenwood stereo system as well, and they did a nice clean job. Not over the top, just a nice clean job. Very, very proud of selling this Chevelle to the next owners, lucky owners. Transmission shifts just like it should, no issues. The car steers straight down the road. When you hit the brake, it doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. All of the gauges are functional on the car, the wipers. Like I said, everything does work except the horn. The odometer shows 20,563 miles. Not quite sure if that's the miles of when this cluster was installed, but I know that the engine has much, much less than that, what I was told. And it definitely feels like it. It's not sluggish by any means. I'm just gonna go through the gears nice and easy here to show you guys how the car shifts, and then we'll get a little bit more aggressive. Brakes feel great. I would give this car to my wife to drive. It's that easy, that simple to drive. It's not complicated at all. If it's your first muscle car, this is the one. It's very reliable. Just change your oil every 3,000 miles. And when you store the car, if you do live in the Midwest or in the cold areas, just put stabilizer in for that storage period, and you should be good to go. I mean, they're very easy to maintain. No squeaks going down the road in the car. Oh yeah. All right. I'm gonna open up the exhaust now. You can hear it growling. Let this car go that's in back of me. Ah, you hear it now? Yeah, baby. Oh man. You can also shift these transmissions. So in this car in particular, if you have a dead stop, you can bring it down to 1 and then shift it to 2nd and 3rd. Just watch your shift light, okay? This is something. No wonder you people buy big block Chevelles, man. Oh, baby. Woo! Woo! All right, I'm going to calm down a little bit. I'm telling you, adrenaline is pumping through my body, man. How can it not? All right, I'm going to pull over here and talk to you guys a little bit more about a couple things. Then I'm going to bring her in. All right, I'm going to park right over here. guys and gals wanted to fly in and see this bad boy in person, be my guest. Be my guest. We are 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare and 45 minutes from Midway Airport. Come on down, check it out for yourself. If you want to take advantage of driveway delivery, send me your zip code. I'll send you a quote for delivery right to your driveway. It's fully insured for the purchase price of the Chevelle. Okay? For those of you that are watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm getting in tomorrow. Okay? There's a lot more coming in. We got over 100 cars in this building and the other building down the street. We are full to the gills. We got good cars, good quality. We explain them the right way. You will not be surprised when you get this to your driveway. So you can buy at MGM Classic Cars with confidence. Don't believe me? Check out over 100 of my customers on Google review. They are satisfied with my explanations on the vehicle, descriptions, and I am transparent. So buy with confidence, guys. Now listen, if you're looking to finance a car like this, because I've been in the business for 25 plus years, I have connections for financing. Now listen, if you got rough credit, you're going to put a lot of money down, okay? A lot of money means half down at least. So if you're a 580 credit score to, let's say, 625, you'll need at least half down. Okay, if that's in your category, fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your credit score is 625 to 750, you'll put down 10% is required, and you can fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. Now, if you have elite credit, 750 and higher, I have a no money down option for all of you buyers. You can do that application directly at lightstream.com. Interest rates are good, guys. Take advantage. Or you're ready to buy the car, get it to your driveway, call me, text me with a quote, and I'll get this thing to your garage right away. My name is Thomas. I'm here at mgmclassiccars.com, and I can be reached at. Are you ready? Grab that pen. I told you I'll be leaving a number at the end of the video. My number is area code 847-848-1850. Again, mgmclassiccars.com. Thanks for watching.